Hey, what's going on guys? Affiliate Bros in the house. In today's video, I have something exclusive for you where I'm going to show you how you can make money on ClickBank as an affiliate marketer. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make $100 to $200 per day with using my VST method. And this video is going to be 3-step process as following. Step number 1, we're going to select hot selling product on ClickBank that's trending right now. And I'm going to show you how you can select hot selling product for yourself as well. Step 2, Google. We are going to use Google to create landing page, and that's the free, guys. Google is a tool that allows us to create landing page, and that's called Google site. We can use the Google site to create landing page, which is I'm going to show you how to create. And step number 3, we're going to drive traffic to our Google site. So this method I'm about to show you, it works for everyone who don't have any experience or any prior experience on the ClickBank or how to make money online or affiliate marketing. And if you don't have a website, or if you don't have a technical knowledge on how to create website, that works for you as well. And this method, it works worldwide. So goal for this video is you should be able to know how to make $100 per day end of this video. So without further delay, let's start it. So before we start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like button as well to show me some love. So let's make some. So first step is to select hot selling product on ClickBank. So come over to ClickBank and click on sign up button to sign up your account. So you want to click on the sign up and you want to fill the form to sign up. ClickBank is basically marketplace where vendors, they release their product for us to promote their product, and you can promote product any vendors that you like. You don't have to have your own product to promote on ClickBank. You can select any product to promote, and you can make money out of that product as a commission. So go ahead and click a sign up. So once you create or sign into your account, then you want to click on the marketplace here. So once you click on marketplace, right hand side, you're going to see all the categories where you can select product to promote. As you can see, it says categories, and there's a bunch of categories to select, like games, green products, mobiles, and etc. You can select any products from here. But there is 2 ways to select hot selling product on ClickBank. So one way to select a hot selling product, to click on this magnifying glass straight away. So let me click on it to show you how. So as you can see, there is a 3,000 product to promote. You can select any product that you like. Just you want to scroll down to select. And one more important thing is gravity, guys. You have to select based on gravity. If you just get starting out with a ClickBank or affiliate marketing, I suggest you between 50 to 100 gravity, because if you select more than 100 to 50, there is more competitions and you would not able to compete with your competitors. That's why you should select, not must, but you should select 50 to 100 gravity score. So just drag and drop this knob to select your gravity. Personally, I always select 50 to 100 gravity to be more successful in the affiliate product. So as you can see, this product is a first. As you can see, there is an insanely high gravity score. This product is basically Okinawa flat belly tonic, and this is actually weight loss product. You can promote it. This is a hot selling product right now in the ClickBank. As you can see, by looking at the gravity, you can say there is a lot of people promoting this product. That's why it's really hot offer to promote. So now let me show you the second way to select your hot product on ClickBank. The second way to select a hot selling product is you want to go to the YouTube and you need to find ClickBank. So this is the official ClickBank YouTube channel. They upload video every week or every 2 weeks. As you can see, they upload on 5 July and today is 23 July. That means this video is completely new, and the products are really hot. As you can see, there is lots of product to select, and they review that product. That's why this is the really hot products. You can select products from here as well. We're going to select this one, Okinawa flat belly tonic. So we're going to promote this product. So go back to your ClickBank account and select your product. And now let me tell you how much commission I'm going to get if you select this product. If I promote this product and someone purchases through my ClickBank link, then I'm gonna get $137 per sale. That means I need to just one sale per day to make $100 per day. So once you're satisfied with the product, then you can click on the promo bar. But let's see first sales page here. Just click on it. Let me open a new page to see how it's look like. So as you can see, this is a VSL video sales letter, and you can see the video and any others promotion product. As you can see, people just come to this page and they start to watching video, and straight away they can buy their product from here. Now let's go back to ClickBank and see how we can promote this product. You can check out the affiliate page as well by clicking on this page. So now it leads me to my next point, which is step 2, Google. We're going to create landing page. We're going to create Google site for free. In order to create Google site, just type site.google.com and you're able to create your site for free. Then you want to click on the template gallery and select Door Workers, because Door Workers is a very nice theme to select. Just click on it to select. It would take you to the edit mode where you want to edit your site. So now guys, we're going to change the image. Just click on the image and click on change image and click on select image and click on search image. Just click on search and search like diet and click on a search icon. Now you can select any image from here and you can set back as a background image. So let me find a really nice image for my, so let's find any image for example purpose. So let me find, so let's go with it. So just click on select and boom, we just set our background image, and we're going to change the name of our site and that site as well. So let's change it, and make sure you give people to step to follow, because people like to follow something step by step. So you have to give them the step, like 7 steps to lose your fat fast, or it could be anything. Just give them a step, which is I'm going to give it 7 steps to follow to get rid of fat. So let me do it quickly. Okay, so now it's look good. 7 easy steps to lose weight faster. 7 easy steps to lose weight faster. So now we're going to add our step by we're going to copy these elements here by clicking this icon. Just click on it. We're going to click on 6 times, because I'm going to show you how you can set 7 steps to sell our product. This is my VST method. So click on 3 times, and now 4, 5 and 6. So now we're good to go. Now we're gonna need a content to write here. So how are we going to get content? So go to the Google and type 7 easy steps to weight loss fast, and they're gonna give you a bunch of result. You want to right click on it and you want to open new window, new tab, some of the sites. As you can see, right click on it and open the new tab and go to each site and read through. You don't have to read through completely, but find dopamine trigger title. That's the cool, because what is the cardio burst? People are going to think and they keep reading and reading and reading. So this is the curiosity based title. So you want to do the same. Just you want to select, copy and go back to your site, and you want to paste here like that. Let me just make up this. Okay, and let me center it, and I'm going to select Arial. Let me select and quickly select Arial. Okay, and we're going to break our hyperlink from here. As you can see, this look cool, and you want to type step 1, practice cardio burst. Then you want to copy the text and paste here. Now let me do it. So I'm going to copy the text. So I'm going to copy full text and paste here. And guys, make sure you tweak that text, because it's not cool to straight copy. I'm going to tweak the text in after fast forward this video. Okay, so do as I show you. Just go through every single website and select your title and text from here. As you can see, this is a really curiosity based title, as excuse in more sleep. That's really good, and that's good as well. And you can select any title that's really cool, impacts on the people. You can select any of the title and keep doing it from here I'm going to fast forward this video, speed up this process, otherwise video going to take longer than I expected. So guys, I've completed my site. As you can see guys, I write summary first and then I write here are 7 steps to lose weight fast. And step number 1, take everything one step at a time. I tweak everything as my writing style. Make sure you tweak everything as your writing style. And as you can see, I'm writing everything here and I said photo here. It looks kind of cool to see. Now let me show you how it's look like. So guys, you done with your site. Then you want to click on this publish to publish your site, and then you want to enter your site name, and then you good to go. I've already published site to show how it look like, so I just update now. And now let me show you how my site look like. So as you can see, so when someone come to my site, they're gonna see, oh, 7 steps to lose weight fast. Okay, so they're going to read through every single articles, and step 1, take everything one step at a time, and they're going to read and they're going to see the image, and then they're going to read through all the articles, and they're going to go to the 7th step. And now let me show you how you can set last 7 step. Okay, you type everything according to your writing style, and now let me show you how you can set up 7 step, how you can use my secret method VST, very simple technique to make the people buy your product. So as you can see, you want to copy the text from here and you want to drag here, and you want to type watch this video. 7th step is watch this video, and you want to put some arrow here by emoji extension. As you can see, I will put some arrow, and now we're going to create an image that looks like a video. So go to the canva.com. So go to the canva.com and click on create design, and then click on video. So once you click on the video, it would take you to the another page where you can edit your image. So as you can see, I already create my image, and you can select the elements. You want to click on templates, and you want to just click on the elements that you wanted to select from here. And as you can see, I type here step 7, watch this video, and I put the play button and the round. Now let me show you how you can get the play button. You want to click on elements, and you want to type your play here. Just type play to get your play button. As you can see, you want to click on the play button to select your play button, and you want to select color from here. And if you want shapes like rounds and square, then you want to click on lines and shapes, and just click on it and select the shape round, and click on this icon, and you can change the transparency as well, as you can see. And then you want to click on download button and click on PNG. Make sure you select PNG to download as an image, and click on download. So guys, once you download your image, then you want to go to your landing page, and you want to click on the image here and click on upload. Find your image and select and click open to upload your image. So first drag and drop between the page, and drag from here and drag like that to make it bigger. So as you can see, when someone come page and click on this image, they're going to redirect to our page. Now let me show you how to set your affiliate link so you can get affiliate commission when someone click on this image. So you want to go to your ClickBank account, and you want to click on promote, and then you want to click on generate link. So this is the link you want to share to the people. Just click on this icon to copy your link, and when someone click on this link and buy the product which you offer, which is you promote, you're gonna get commission. So let me just close this window and go to our landing page and click on the image and click on this insert link and paste your link here and click apply, and boom, we have just put our link top of our image. Now let me publish and show you how it's look like. So click on publish, and boom, our site has been published successfully, and click on it to see. Now scroll back down, and as you can see, this is the step 7, watch this video, and when someone click on this video, boom, they will redirect to our affiliate offer, as you can see. So that's how it works. So now guys, it leads me to my next point, which is driving traffic to our landing page. So we're going to use Facebook as to driving traffic for free. As you can see, you want to type just diet here, and you want to click on search to find a bunch of groups where you can page, you can send your link in it. As you can see, this page has a 38k members in it, and 31k and 71k members, 461k members, guys. And this is a cost keto diet for beginners. You can click on it. Says you want to join all the groups. You want to post really great content that gives value to the people and give some useful points. Don't be a spammer like this. Don't spam your link in the groups, otherwise no one would buy from you. Just you can reply the messages, you can reply the comments, like you can like this post and etc. You can answer this, you can share it, and you can answer the people's, because once you comment in the someone else post, people are going to recognize you, and they, after a while, they're going to know you, that's you, and you have some, that you have really great information about how to weight loss, and people will ask you to buy from you. So don't spam your link on groups, and be informative to the peoples and give all the informations. Don't just take, give first, give, and they gonna give you money. Trust me, guys, this method works worldwide. If you do this, you're going to be successful in affiliate marketing. And I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then click the link description below and you would learn a lot more about affiliate marketing. And once again, thanks for watching.